Hey, you. Yes, you. You. All my girlies, I'm talking to you guys with all your 675 photos sitting in your camera roll. Welcome back to another episode on Too Hot to Trip, where every outfit has a story, even the ones that have never seen the gram. Well, I'm your host, Damn You Anu, and today we are going to talk about the outfits that I've never posted. And I think we all can relate, even you can relate, and all the girlies can relate. We always click like thousand pictures of every outfit that we wear, like mirror selfies with some emojis, but for some reason or another, we don't feel like posting them. So, yeah, today we are going to discover or undiscover all the drafts that we have on our phones and just being normal about posting them on gram and just trying to figure out as to why are we not posting them, although we are clicking like thousand pictures on our. Although I do this with the videos mostly because I am a big fan of videos rather than photos. But yeah, we all have those days where we do not post. In my case, although I think my husband, he posts my pictures. He sees something that is very nice and beautiful that he finds beautiful and I have never posted. He quickly goes onto my account and posts it. The next day I get to find that, oh my god, he has already posted them. So yeah, let's dive into it. Talk about the archives almost. I think we all have seen the days where we put on a nice outfit and we go in front, where we stand in front of the mirror and we click our selfies, and then for some or another reason we just don't feel like posting them on Instagram, although we try to get that one perfect picture so that we can post it, but it never seems to meet the cut. Maybe the lighting is off, maybe you think that your tummy has a little tinsy pinsy bit out, or you click it in different angles, because this is what I do. Really, honestly, talking about this, it feels like I'm talking about my friend's Gari's drafts, because she also does that. Although I have been inside her camera roll and I have seen every pictures that she has clicked and selected with them, but even though I have liked like few pictures from them, but she has never posted them. So I what I do what I do just to tease her, I take a screenshot of those conversations where she shares her screen and shows me online, because we live in different cities. I live in Mumbai and she lives in Delhi. So which is why I take the screenshot, and then sometimes I like to give her a shout out for the queen that she is, because I believe that every outfit that she wears, she looks so damn pretty, and she says that you're like this यशोदा मैया जिसको अपना कान्हा और अपना लाल सबसे ज़्यादा प्यारा होता है, तो you never can see the things that I see in my pictures. But that is truth, no? I see her as she is, not for her insecurities that she sees first in the photo. So I think this is what we all go through. Maybe if we have taken a picture that is slaying, but we feel like, oh my god, today my face is not giving. Like today my face is facing a crisis or something. So maybe which is why we never go out and post it. Well, with this, let me tell you my couple of outfit stories. So first of them will be okay. So I was very excited and I was in Sarojini and I thrifted this whole outfit in Delhi, and I got this very nice white, beautiful white swan white skirt, really long skirt, and then I wore like a black t-shirt. I do not have a picture out of it, but I have a video of it dancing, making a complete fool out of myself. But that video I have never posted and nobody has seen it. It is still sitting in my Google Drive. It is, I think, this is 7 years back I'm talking. But very recently Anurag was showing it to me and I was like, oh my god, yeah. Now when I look back, I feel like how innocent and cute and how slay that video is, but to me that was terrifying at that moment. uh, so I think I have that one outfit. Then I have the second outfit. I think this is in 2019 or 28, no, 2019. I was very much inclined towards like heavy ripped jeans and wearing like chunky jewelries. I was into boho style and things like that. So I wore like a heavy chunky shoe, that ripped denim, and a t-shirt and heavy junk jewelry. Also kept my hair in a bun, and I think we went out to Lonavala or somewhere, I and Rag and with our few other friends. And I think that picture have never seen the daylight on Instagram. Although now when I look back, I cringe a tinsy pinsy bit, but still, it's it's something, right? I have put an effort to make that, decide on that outfit that day, get my pictures done, but I have never posted it. Similarly, I think I have this third outfit. I think it is not about posting, but I was going out somewhere. I wore this like balloon skirt that is really in trend right now. So I got this skirt from Zara. I think I have that in my rack here. This one. So I was once going out and I wore this skirt with, I have this pink not crop top, I have a pink corset and I have a blue shirt. So I tried to style it with both of them, but I think somehow I felt like I do not have like the right shoes, or the shirt is not in right cutting or something. So that also did not see the daylight, or the gram light also. So it never got posted. So these are my three things, like a video, a photo, and an outfit that I never even dared to click a picture on. But I promise, like, those were all killing outfits. But I don't know why I got nerves and I did not posted them or wore them, or maybe because I was feeling a little insecure in my body that day, or here's the real tea. Maybe I was thinking this is too much. That is very sad, guys. That is really, really sad, my girlies. You should never feel, never, ever, ever feel that this is too much. Okay? While talking about this, I feel like fashion for everyone is a very different perspective to show how we are dressing up for the day, what are we feeling. So mostly mostly I think with me it happens, I look exactly like I am feeling that day. I'm like, no joke, no kidding, every girl in periods I think looks her worst when we are sitting at home. Of course we put an extra effort if there is a date, or if we are going to meet someone, or if there is a family function, or if it's Diwali or a heavy partying or shadi, or avoiding that. If you are just sitting at home, I like to pull out, I don't know why, and I'm not sure if you guys can relate, but if you can relate, just um share me your story. So when I am on my periods, I would go to my cupboard and I would pull out the worst clothes that has been sitting in my closet for like 10 years, and I'm not getting rid of that t-shirt that has stains of curries and chutneys, and I don't know what all stains that there is, maybe a period one also. But I love to wear them on my days of periods. I don't know why, maybe because I feel the comfort in them. So the point is, however we are feeling is how we dress, and everybody dresses in their own different perspectives, in their own different dalulus, and we all deserve a chance to be our own dalulu self in the fashion world. So I think with this video, I want to encourage, with this podcast, I want to encourage every one of you, because I think every outfit that is in our own closet has a story to them. Like every girl, when she goes out and buys, it's like a therapy, it's like some session, or some, I don't know, like a miracle or something. We see an outfit and we imagine the whole thing. I think this is the thing that guys can never get. Like we imagine, okay, I see this dress, this earring would go with this. Okay, this color's heel would go with this. Okay, I don't have it. Maybe my friend has it. This I can wear. Oh, this event is coming. I can wear this on that event. So this is a whole thing, and just think about it. After we have planned so many things, and now that we are wearing it and we are not clicking a picture, that's on us, girly. Oh, no, no, no. We clicked the picture and now we have not posted it on Gram or Facebook or TikTok or wherever, whatever you are using. Uh, That's a bit. Ah, I think with all that, what I want to say is we clicking our pictures and posting them is not a performance. An it is something so personal to us that you care for yourself somehow, and you like this dress so much that you dress this way, and you liked it so much that you click the picture. And for some reason, I don't care even if you are getting like 11 likes or 1 like or 2 likes. It's just that you are there, you have shown for yourself. And even if it's your fashion delulu world, you should post it, girl. You should definitely post it. Okay, now we are at my favorite part of each episode of this podcast. Is that I would like to give you this challenge that you go into your camera roll and find out the outfits that you have clicked the pictures in and never have posted it, and just post it on the Instagram. Even if you have not clicked the picture, just wore the dress and then kept it in your closet. Bring it out, wear them nicely, take a nice picture, cute or cool or with emojis or any filters or anything. Just click the picture and post it on the gram, tag me so that I would also can be a part of your closet and outfit stories. I would really love to see them. And if you have not tried the challenge one that I had given on the first episode, please go ahead and try that also. And yeah, just post this picture, tag me on my Instagram at the rate Damiano 2.0. Also, we are on Spotify, so you can also listen me on Spotify. I'm uploading my audio and video too on Spotify, so you can watch me, or if you are going somewhere, you can just tune into me and listen. The whole idea of this episode is to just revive the rejected outfits that are there in your closet or in your camera roll sitting in drafts or something. Let them see the damn gram light. Romanticize the outfits and the photos that you clicked, even if it is from like 7 years back or 8 years back or 10 years back, and where you felt like a queen that you are. Okay, that's it for today's episode of Too Hot to Thrift. If you're wearing something fabulous, click a picture and post it. Or if you have a picture in your drafts 3 months ago, drop it, because the world needs to see your fashion delusions. Also, I think and I believe you do not need a million followers to serve a look. It's just that you feel unhinged to post it on the gram. Okay, see you in another episode next week at the same time every Sunday 11 a.m. manifesting all our fabulous fashion dreams. Till then, stay hot, stay unhinged, and stay thrifty. Bye bye.